In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to cut an onion for burgers and sandwiches. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel, I share a lot of simple videos like this one. If that's your jam, hit the red subscribe button so you and I can cook something together a couple times a week. Cutting onions for sandwiches and burgers can be a challenge because it's round and they roll, and you probably want those nice circular slices. Let me show you how I do it. You want to start with a large kitchen knife or a chef's knife. It makes the job a lot easier. If you're not comfortable using a knife, one simple solution is to take a clean kitchen towel and put it right under the onion. That automatically prevents it from rolling around on your board. Yes, you can slice right on top of it. It's how I taught my kids how to slice onions, so not a big deal. First thing I'm gonna do is remove my ends, and you're left with an outer skin, so you can just take that one out. I save all of this for stock. And then now that you have a round onion, here's where it gets tricky. You can place it on top of a kitchen towel and it stops rolling. And then you want to put your fingers, hold the onion in place in the back. Your middle ones go back. The thicker you cut it, the thicker your slices. So first we're gonna cut out. Now let me show you without the towel. When it gets to the end, I know it gets tricky. Now they're more or less the same thickness. You can separate them if you want, or leave them just like that. And that, friends, is how you slice an onion for your burgers and sandwiches. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up so I know to make more of them on my channel for you. See you next time.